The M0909 code is common for M series loaders and also all kinds of telehandlers by Bobcat, and it means the fuel level is low. You're pretty lucky if it actually means you need to refuel the tank and the code disappears, because in most cases this is all about the fuel level sensor that's located in the tank of your equipment. It's a metal stick with a float on it, and this thing may just lose contact because the float keeps running up and down all the time, and eventually it will refuse to work properly. Before you buy the new sensor, check the connection. It's a shabby plastic connector and there is a lot of mud usually on top of the tank, so the connection itself may be loose or corroded. Anyway, in most cases it's the sensor malfunctioning, but before you take it out, you may plug in the new sensor, make sure that the float is higher than at the bottom part of it, and see if the code disappears. When replacing this sensor, you will need a good socket wrench. The sensor has a plastic nut that you will need to unscrew, and it's pretty tightly mounted there, so with a simple wrench you will most likely damage the nut and will have to make up a better way to take it out. You will still need to tighten it properly to avoid any fuel leaks in the future. Usually you will not need to reset anything, the new sensor will just be working properly and the code will be gone. In some cases you may need to wait for some time or disconnect the battery to reset the fault. Also, it may ask you to enter your security code after the computer is reset.